Big news coming in this hour at 1 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon. We have a new twist in the Noida dowry case. It's Nikki's in-laws that were part of the last rites. The last rites of Nikki were performed at the residence of her in-laws, where her family, that is Nikki's family, as well as Vipin Bhatti's family, were also present. So now the police is probing the last rites angle, even though the FIR was filed, was complained by the family of Nikki after the last rites were conducted. So questions being raised: if she was set ablaze by the in-laws, how is it that the in-laws were at the last rites of Nikki, and how is it that the last rites were performed at the in-laws house? This is something that now is being questioned. Do remember that all the in-laws, that means the father-in-law, the mother-in-law, the brother-in-law, and the main accused, that's the husband, are in the custody of the police. Anushka, my colleague, joining us from the residence, in fact, getting us details. Anushka, this of course is something that is now being questioned by the police, that when you do know the claims that you're making in regard to your flesh and blood, your sister, your daughter, saying that she was set ablaze by her in-laws, then how is it that the last rites of Nikki were held at the residence of her in-laws? That's the question that the cops are now raising.
That's right, Divya. We did see the fresh visuals that have in fact come in, and we are seeing that in that visual is of the last rites of Nikki, who's the 26-year-old who was set ablaze allegedly by her own husband. Now, the father of the victim has in fact also claimed that it was just the father-in-law who was present at the last rite there, and not everyone else, by that time had fled from their own house. They had set their daughter ablaze, and after that they were on the run. After which they had to perform the last rites at the the residence of Nikki's in-laws, and that is where this whole last rite was in fact performed. We're also seeing several new angles that has in fact come forward. Vipin Bhatti was in fact allegedly having an affair with several other women. Now, one such woman had filed an FIR against Vipin after he was caught. He was he hit her as trying to cover up this whole incident. This was when Nikki and her sister Kanchan confronted Vipin about this alleged affair. They followed Vipin when he was going to meet that girl. They confronted her when both of them were meeting. They were caught outside a vehicle, a car, after which Vipin started hitting that girl so that he could cover up his tracks. Not just that, several chats have also in fact been leaked that has in fact that is in fact throwing light on this particular fact that Vipin was allegedly having affair with several other women as well at this point of time, to which Nikki's father has in fact also claimed that this was going on for a long time, and that Nikki was constantly trying to confront him as to why he was doing all such things, and she was also trying to open her parlor once again. Right. That led to a heated argument, and after which this whole incident took place at the residence of Nikki's in-laws. Over to you.